Okay, hello. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm not talking.
Welcome to our channel, which is called Outdoors, and today we're doing the Maria's Feb challenge. It's the 3rd of February 2021, and we're doing Maria's Feb challenge in association with the Boundary Way project. So today we've come out and we've got some questions that Maria's asked. So she's asking us to have a look around at the things that we can see, to come for a walk not far from our house. So this is our favourite place near where we live, and we used to live just down that road there, so we know this canal very well.
Hello.
So the first question is, girls, to look at the trees and describe how the trees look.
They look old and musty.
Old and musty, do you think?
Old and musty, crusty.
They are,
Do they all look the same?
Yeah.
they're old. Some of them have like vines.
Some of them got vines.
Is it vines? They're
Yeah.
vines. And most of them are dead.
Do you think they're dead?
They're all dead. No
They,
leaves on
they,
them.
well, why do
It's
you think? Well, why are there no leaves? What's the date?
February.
Yeah. So unless they're evergreens, trees won't have leaves on them yet, will they?
Describe this very nice tree you found without dying. What are you doing?
Coming in here. I found baby ducklings down there once.
Come next to me. Without holding it.
I found baby ducklings under there once.
Yeah, I'm the news reporter. I hold it.
Okay, goodbye now.
Now, describe this very nice tree you found. Where is it?
It is next to the canal.
It's like 10 of them next to the canal. Which one is it? Oh, it's very nice one.
This one.
So what words would you use to describe these trees then? Do they look like they're full of life at the moment, or are they sleeping?
I think most of them are sleeping, but the one in the middle is partly awake.
Well, I can see signs on this tree right here, right in front of us, that maybe they'll be waking up soon. Can you see these signs? Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at how small
There's
those
new buds
buds are.
coming through.
Look at how small those ones are in comparison to this one. I'll pull it apart.
Don't
So there's loads of little buds,
This is the nature
and
one,
these
they're
will all be
destroying
covered in
nature
leaves
one.
soon. Okay, so the next question, the hedgerows and verges. So this sort of area here, what do they look like?
Come on, Nature.
Hi. Daddy.
Hey, commentary.
Okay, so what do you think of this area here?
Yes.
How does it look?
Very grassy.
Grassy, yeah.
And
What can
I
you
saw a
see?
mouse
Can you see any new
once.
shoots coming through here?
I saw a mouse once.
I can see some new shoots. I can see some nettles
Come with me.
coming through. Can you see the new shoots of nettles coming through?
I'm here. You should put on.
nettles.
Yeah.
Now.
And there's also
I can
some,
see some nettles.
yep. So there's lots of new nettles coming through. What's the other plant that there's lots of? This one here. Do you know what this is called? What are these? You should know.
Aren't they like spider plants?
No.
They look like it.
Can you not remember what these ones are called? They're the ones when they're really long, they stick to your clothes.
You never told me the name of that one. You just
I
told me
did tell you the name of this one.
Like a year ago.
They're called cleavers. So there's new shoots of cleavers coming through.
You know what else is called a cleaver? A cleaver?
So what words would you use to describe this verge? Jazz, can you think of any words?
Very, very green
Green, definitely
And-
green.
and brown, basically.
Does it look summery?
No.
Does it look spring-like?
It looks autumn-like.
Chloe, close.
You think it looks, I would say winter really, wouldn't you?
Put the microphone.
Still looks very wintry. What about this veg over here?
Close are slime plants.
Okay, this way. What about this veg over here? How does this look?
More green.
Creepy and I like it.
Are there any shoots coming through here?
Like nettles.
There's more nettles.
I said like nettles.
Like nettles, yeah. There's
Oh,
probably
there's
more
some
nettles.
There's some dandelion.
Oh yeah, there's some new dandelion plants coming up.
Look. This is what came off the clover.
Cleaver.
Cleaver.
Yeah. Looks like snot. That might fit on me.
Come with me.
Okay, next question.